Hi, we want to show you how you can mix virtually any desired color with the FIMO Professional Color Mixing System. We here at Stettler have developed the FIMO Professional Color Wheel. It allows you to mix at least 175 different colors from only 5 primary colors, precisely and with the same result every time. These 5 colors are the true colors: true yellow, true red, true magenta, true blue, and true green. Each true color contains exactly one pure pigment to produce true and brilliant mixed colors. Together with white and black, this allows the creation of precise and ideally coordinated mixing results. How does it work? Let's look at the color mixing system. The main color circle is at the center. It ranges from Y for yellow to green 5. These colors form a harmonious rainbow and the basis for all other colors, as the color from the main color circle has to be mixed in the first step. In the second step, this is then varied by adding white or black. This creates the tints and shades. Here's how it works. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want to mix a light orange. You will need a clay machine, one cutter in the desired size and shape, the FIMO Professional True Colors True Red, True Yellow, and White. First, mix the desired color on the main color circle. To do this, use the clay machine to produce plates of even thickness with the true colors True Yellow and True Red. It is important that the sheets are always rolled with the same setting on the clay machine. Then, use the cutter to cut out the exact number of pieces according to the recipe. In our example, that is 4 yellow and 1 red. The result is yellow 3, which will be lightened with white in the second step. Cut out 4 parts white and mix with 1 part yellow 3. Finished! Precisely our desired color shade. It's that simple. And any changes to the individual color portions will result in finely graded colors, making it possible to mix virtually any color that the human eye can perceive.